equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the corners. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Now, locate the potentiometer, which is typically situated near the control panel. It's a small, cylindrical component with 3 terminals. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit using the soft cloth. This will help maintain the longevity of your Thermomix. Using your multimeter, check the resistance of the potentiometer. If it shows an inconsistent reading or is completely open, it's time for a replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right advice before proceeding. To remove the faulty potentiometer, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial for the installation of the new part. Once the wires are disconnected, unscrew the potentiometer from its mounting. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out if it's stuck. Now, take your new potentiometer and install it by reversing the removal process. Secure it in place with the screws and reconnect the wires according to your earlier notes. Ensure that the connections are tight to avoid any future issues. Before reassembling the base cover, it's a good idea to test the Thermomix. Plug it back in and turn it on to see if the error 52 has been resolved. If everything is functioning correctly, proceed to replace the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough cleaning on the outside to keep it looking brand new. Regular maintenance will help prevent future errors and extend the life of your appliance. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your Thermomix is back to perfect working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.